Alternative text should be included with all visuals in PowerPoint. Alternative text helps people who can't see the screen understand what's important in images and other visuals. In this video, I will give a short demonstration of one way that will make your PowerPoint ADA compliant. Visual content can include pictures, smart art graphics, shapes, groups, charts, embedded objects, ink, and videos. To add alternative text in PowerPoint, highlight the object first. Right-click and go to Format Picture. To the side, you can see the sidebar, and you would click Alt Text. So here we have students gathering for a picture. And in the description, we will put student life and engagement interactive button. Okay. All right, and then we would also, since this is the interactive button, we would want to put student life and engagement and follow your title with a description of what information is in the text box or in your image. Interactive box. That way they know to click on that to take them to somewhere else. And you could also put a description of where that will take you. You should avoid using text in images or pictures as a sole method of conveying important information. If you must use an image with text in it, repeat that text in the presentation. In the alternative text, briefly describe the image and mention the existence of the text and its intent in the picture. Thank you.